In the heart of San Antonio, Texas, in the year of 1836, a tale of courage and resilience unfolded within the walls of the Alamo. The Alamo, a former Spanish mission-turned-fort, was now a symbol of defiance against the oppressive regime of General Antonio López de Santa Anna. For months, the Texan rebels had been gathering, their numbers swelling with the promise of freedom and self-rule. Among these defenders were Davy Crockett, a legendary frontiersman, and James Bowie, a skilled warrior and inventor. Together, they held a tenacious resolve to protect the Alamo, despite the overwhelming odds against them. As the sun rose on March 6, 1836, a massive Mexican army, led by General Santa Anna, encircled the Alamo. The Texans, numbering only a few hundred, awaited their arrival with courage etched on their faces. For days, they had been preparing, fortifying their defenses and sharpening their weapons. The attack began at dawn, a deafening roar echoing across the plains as the Mexican army assaulted the Alamo. The Texans fought valiantly, their bullets and cannonballs repelling the Mexican advance. However, the Mexicans were relentless, their numbers overwhelming the Texan defenses. During the brutal 13-day siege, the Texan forces held on, their numbers dwindling day by day. On March 27, the Mexican army launched a final assault, breaching the Alamo's walls. In the ensuing chaos, Crockett and Bowie, along with the remaining defenders, fought to the last man. The fall of the Alamo was a devastating blow to the Texan cause. However, the sacrifice of the Alamo's defenders ignited a fire of rebellion across Texas. Thousands rallied to avenge the Alamo and, in the subsequent Battle of San Jacinto, defeated General Santa Anna, leading to the independence of Texas from Mexico. The Alamo, a symbol of courage and defiance, had fallen, but its legacy lived on. The bravery of its defenders inspired a nation, leading to the birth of the Lone Star State. The Alamo, though lost, would never be forgotten. Its ghostly echoes still whisper tales of resilience and sacrifice, a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who dared to dream of freedom.